might be some wind, so I hope that you guys can see and hear us. But these are our matching outfits. I think we need to go further back. Matching. We did not matching. And we went to the fanciest restaurant in Hargeisa, dressed like this. And there was actually a meher today. So maanta waxaan tagnay Damal, which is Damal waxay restaurant aad u fiican Hargeisa. And marka sidan baan ku tagnay. Iyo markaan gaadhnay meher baa jirtay maanta, okay? There was there was so many people because there was like an engagement meher, like marriage wedding thing going on. Everybody was just so nice. Qof kasta mashallah Allahumma barak. Dad qurux badan bay soo gashteen and we were like this. But anyway. So guys, this is Mustafa.
Well, hello.
Mustafa, introduce yourself.
We building our last minute trip to Biyo Dhacay. It's an amazing place down between Berber and Hargeisa, and we're very excited.
We are so excited. There's a big group of us, 2 cars.
هنتجلنا بيو دعاي بنتجلنا إن شاء الله. نريد تكون قفلنا لبا قاري. بيو دعاي وحاول حيسا بربرية Hargeisa وده حيسا إن شاء الله.
So we set off on our lovely trip to Biyo Dhacay. It was so scenic and we saw such beautiful views. It was maybe a 3-hour journey and a lot of it was off-roads. We also see such interesting wildlife on these little road trips. waxaan aragnaa xoolo nooco badan ah. So we saw a deer, I don't know how to say it in Somali. We saw like a baboon monkey, I think that's Danyar, and like sheep, and like it's just so cute to leave the city sometimes.
Guys, we don't know what this place is. We just got out of the car. Because we had a view. There's a view here and it's so pretty.
You are stressing out. No, wallahi walk. Wallahi billahi walk. Wallahi billahi walk.
No, I'm not. Oh my god.
This goes crazy though. Wallahi billahi, this goes crazy.
It's gonna be my thumbnail.
So we got out of the car a little bit, we stretched our legs, look at had done a road trip and we had just a little bit of the journey left to go.
So these guys come up to us, right? And they're like, who's your masool? Yeah, I think I'm masool. We know guys, who knows? These people could literally eat us. I said, what the hell? What does that mean? They said they can literally do anything that they want to us. And who the hell would know? Because we're in the middle of bloody nowhere. And now, guys, I'm going to start crying because this was not the experience that I wanted. قروحدان كيابي عادي قروح بدن تاي ها ما شاء الله اك حاجه سيدان تاي ها ان شاء الله هرقيس هداد شوقتان اما انجليز اما ملك حاجه شوقتانون wherever you are wherever you are guys, come here. This place is so beautiful, it's so serene. Like honestly, like I'm so stunned, mashallah. Guys, waan so gaadnay, waan didnay. It's so hot. Aadan u baqaynay. Waan ooyay at one point. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's so hot here. But Mesh is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the views. We came like through these rocks, like we had to hike. This is my Khadar. My friend. Khadar is my friend. He's not listening to me.
So guys, after this whole time I realized our tour guide ninka melahana to say fake name buisiye Khadar buu ahaa magaciisa Khadar mu ahayn. So every time I was calling him Khadar markan u yeedhayay he wasn't responding. Okay, absolutely nothing.
Khadar bay caawiyay all the way through here. So guys, I'm literally like Manta way no demade. Like honestly, it was such a fun experience. I'm like melting. Walking right on Soconina and the thorns. Bahashan, what is it called?
Kodah. Yeah.
Kodah hadi ba kabaha naga galaysa. So we just pull it out like this. Look. Allah, bahashaas waa maxay? Guys, the remains of a hyena. Hyena remains. Oh my god. ومحل هذا دانير حاجة اسكسو دعي. There's the shiny stuff, looking stuff. What is this? We found a discovery. We made a discovery. Was made. So guys, we're so good in Biyo Dhacay. We're at Biyo Dhacay now. Biyo has, you guys can see we're Dhacay. Okay, zip pan to the waterfall. Yes. Okay, so guys, I'm so hot. Literally like one to the other, but this place is so beautiful. This is my friend Khadar. I would not have been able to make it without Khadar. If it wasn't for Khadar, I would be in the back there. I wouldn't have made it here. But ma santai Khadar. Ma santai.
3, 2, 1.
So guys, I'm with Abdulghani and Suhaib. Suhaib, always also YouTube channel bu haysta. Subscribe Sarah. I'm going to leave the details in the description.
Ed buu qurux badan tahay. Waxaan rajaynayaa inay imo doontaan kuwa dalxiis doontaan.
Inshallah. This is so tall. There's some rope there. So I think somebody needs to climb it. Qof waa inay xaga fuulaan, xariga qabsadaan, xagan ku soo dhacaan. I'm actually standing and I'm drowning. No. Because the thing is, I want to get out. Help!
You take my hand.
Help! Yeah.
No, there you go. Just don't go farther. You got it. Keep going. It's gonna get slippery.
Guys, behind imaka kaso baxay waan baqay. I went in the water and I got so scared and nervous. Like I wanted to go deep. Yeah, waan yara galay. Okay, dadka baan uma sheegayo. Okay, ani aad maan galin. Wax yar intaas yarun baan galay. Waan baqay.
Actually, that's true. See? She went in.
Thank you, Mustafa.
You shut up.
So imaka roob baa soo da'aya, so waa inaan carno. Khadar wuxuu yiri imaka waa inaan imaka waa inaan banbaxayna.
Waan baxana roob
haduu dhacay.
Hadii aan in roob ku soo hor intaynu daha sii socon ay ma soo
raacayna.
raacayna.
Ayaa we're going to drown. And we're gonna drown, guys, if it rains. Anigu ma doonayo dooxa inaan raaco, so imakaan baxayna. Xagaasaan ka baxaynaa dhagaxan. Waad arkaysaan ay kabahaygi siday noqdeen. ها كم هيك سيدي نقدان ها أجا لا عكتر ما حكوا دعي وكوي كمتي معلومتي كورد jump Oop that's how it's done guys حقنا هذا تمادن خضر ديدي خضر بايدن وذا عاونية ها
toos lagu talaabay baastaanka joogaan beertan joogan
haye
halkana waa galkii deetana marka waxaan ka hayo ilaaliye
ma sha Allah khadar aad buu maanta noo caawiyay khadar iyo adig magaca Abdullahi haye iyo Abdullahi ma sha Allah aad bay maanta noo caawiyeen channelkan hadda daawanaysaan aad u duceeya insha Allah ma samigi naftayda We saying Mustafa? Oh good. We made it. Yeah. MashaAllah. One barney meshi. Oh my gosh. Meeshan waxay tahay exercise iyo workout inta la soconayo wala daalaya gym ha isku qorinina xaqan imaado okay if don't sign up for a gym come right here guys I'm absolutely finished I'm finished we threw this rock down so we could cross over this path dhagaxan baan xagaas u tuurnay sidaan ka talaabsan karno please look at my toe I just about made it over that rock.
صدريقت كتالا وانصو صعدا قرو صدريقت كتالا وانصو صعدا قرو سمير يد الغاد بدي شعيل كنا هسيدين شعيل كنا
Rahma is now sat on top of a Land Cruiser. I'm not a Land Cruiser. Wow, guys, wow. It's been a good day. We're chilling. This is me. Garigan banku imane Gariga Wayne. Mesha wayna hada imane san. Wayna Gariga Wayne lugu imada Land Cruiser banku imane. As you guys can see, صبح Land Cruiser. Are so sick guys. This place is amazing, mashallah. Meshan aad ay qurux badan tahay. Egg kas. Your egg. Oh yeah, by the way guys, we have to appreciate the outfit again. If you like the outfit, like the video and I will So guys, we've reached the end part of this vlog. This is so beautiful. Guys, I'm so tired, like aadanu dale. Yeah, video gan hada chalatan, subscribe sir. If you like this video, please subscribe. I would appreciate it.